What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Wednesday, December 22nd, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Very nice, very nice. Maybe there is a Santa rally. Took long enough, but we're finishing pretty strong here to end the week. Great day yesterday, great day today. So, I don't know, maybe Kramer was right. Maybe there is, in fact, a Santa rally. Hopefully. Got one more day to go until, market closes for Christmas. What up, Munir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. But yeah, stock market's up today, and I believe crypto is up as well. Last time I checked, it was at least. So yeah, today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have one article about options, retail options specifically. Pretty funny stuff. We'll get to that. And today for our TA, our analysis, we'll be going over NAKD, Naked. Naked brand. We're going to do SEAC, Seachange International. Talked about that one, I think, last week, but that was trending again, so we'll do that. ALLK, I think that's Allakos. That is a biotech stock that was trending today on StockTwits as well. Very nasty stuff there, so we'll cover that. And then finally, we'll do SOPA, Society Pass, which we covered a couple days ago, or last week, can't remember. But we covered it very recently, and that is still mooning. Still trending on StockTwits today, so we'll get to that one as well. Honorable mention would be, what was it yesterday? BFIR, I think it was. BFRI. That was, we covered that one yesterday, but that's pulling back, made top 10 on StockTwits, but I'm not going to discuss that today. So honorable mention there, BFRI. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. All right, guys. So it looks like people a little slow here coming in today. That's all right. We'll get started anyway. Let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Okay. Boom. All right, so let's do it, guys. What up, PZ? What up, Low Roller? All right, people starting to come in now. Appreciate you guys. Please smash please smash the like button while you come in, guys. Appreciate everyone. Everyone got rich on Naked. Naked was 40 cents and it pumped to $6 today. No, that they did not, dude. We'll cover that first, but it didn't actually go up to $6. I mean, it did, but it reverse split, so no one actually made money on that. It didn't go up 1,000%, 1,200%, like you would think. It reverse split 15 to 1 or 1 to 15. So no, a little deceiving there. No one actually made money on that. But we'll get to that. People actually lost money on that. Yeah, no one made money there. People lost money. So we'll get to that, man. All right. Cool. So the Dow Jones finishes up 0.74%. The Nasdaq finishes up 1.21%. Very nice. And the S&P 500 finishes up 1.02%. Yeah, Santa rally. Hopefully Santa rally. I don't know. Late Santa rally, but I got one more day of trading to go, so hopefully we finish strong here. All right, let's check out the watch list. Oops. All right, so yeah, here we have Naked. What the hell? Here we have Naked up 1,200%, but like I just said, that is deceiving. It is not actually up 1,200%. It's actually down today. We'll get to that, but there was a reverse split there. So Naked did reverse split 15 to 1. So it's now at 625. But deceiving stuff there. No one actually made money there. We'll get to that first today. All right. Other than that, we got Tesla up 7.5%. Very nice. Huge day for Tesla. Not sure exactly why, but huge day for Tesla there. Sundial Growers 4.78%. Very nice. Looks like Chinese EVs are up today. EVs in general are up today. Well, really everything is up, but EVs are up. Yeah, we got XPeng up 4.5%. Looks like travel stocks are up. Carnival Cruise is up. Some memes are up here. XCLA. Hilton. Travel stock there. DWAC. Meme stock. Coinbase up 2.77%. Very nice. Ford up 2.7%. So it definitely looks like today was led by value more than growth. So great day to be in boomer stocks, boomer value stocks. Yeah. Yeah. Ford, GM. So car companies up today. Regular car companies and EV companies. We got Google 2%. Norwegian, another travel stock there. Microsoft 1.8%. Very nice. Delta Airlines. Netflix 1.54%. Apple 1.53%. Yeah, Li Auto 1.43%. So I don't know why not XALA. XPeng is up so much more than Li Auto and Neo, but interesting stuff there. But yeah, all car companies up today. Chinese, American, regular EVs. All car companies are up today. Looks like financials are up. Yeah, MasterCard, IBKR, Ally, Schwab, TD, PayPal, all these financial companies are up today. Visa, yeah, definitely led by value here. Nvidia is up 1.12%. Pfizer is up 1%. Honorable mention there on Pfizer. I saw this article on CNBC. Apparently, the FDA approved a pill from Pfizer. It's an oral, it's not a vaccine, but it's an oral pill to combat the C-19. So that was some good PR there, but we're not going to do that article today. American Express, another financial stock there. JetBlue. That's a travel stock. That's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty sideways, but yeah, a lot of green here today. Little deceiving because there is a lot of red too, but today is definitely led by value stocks, blue chip value boomer stocks. So, hope you guys had a good amount of those, are invested in a good amount of those. It's good to diversify, not just in value. Not just in growth and meme stocks. You should have some value stocks as well. So on to the red side here. And there is a good amount of red, but yeah, mostly red, but mostly the stuff that was red today was growth stocks. So let's check it out. The Asian guy is back. He got Alibaba video update. Oh boy. Did he sell, or is he just getting wrecked? Can't be good, though. All right, so on the red side, number one loser is the VIX. Very, very nice. That's a good thing. VIX is down 11.38% today. VIX is now at 18.61. So looking good, looking good. We were up above 20 for a while. Again, anything above 20 is considered volatile, not safe. But now we're below 20, so it's stabilizing, and we're looking good again. So very nice there. Then we got CEI still getting wrecked. Holy crap. CEI down another 10.61% today. That is at 80 cents now. Wow. Wow. RIP to CEI apes. Where's the RIP to CEI apes. We got Prague. It looks like a few Chinese stocks are down here today. But the EV companies did pretty decent. But yeah, Prague down 7.82%. Damn. That sucks. We got DD down 6.79%. I don't know why this is... I thought this got delisted, right? But it's still trading every day. Interesting. That's getting wrecked. CarMax. This is interesting. CarMax is a value stock. So, I don't know what happened there, but that's really, really bad. Down 6.66% today. The devil number. 666. Yeah, not sure what happened there, but that's pretty bad. Moderna, which is a meme stock. Apparently. I like the stock, but Moderna's down 6.26% today, back down to 250. So, I missed it before at 250. I might get back in there. I probably will get back in there in Moderna. Great opportunity there. Not financial advice, but, you know, come on, it's Moderna. It's not Oxygen, it's Moderna. And, you know, very volatile meme stock, but I like the stock, and, you know, looks like a good buying opportunity there. Not financial advice. Oxygen down 5.86%, going back down to 5. Nasty. AMC's down 5.35%. That's pretty bad. But I guess pretty normal for AMC. Alibaba down 4.2%. Lol. Nice. 4.20. 420 on Alibaba. I need to get that meme of the laughing Mexican guy. That'd be a great insert here. I'll get that meme when we come back from Christmas. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. So it looks like vaccine stocks are down today, except for Pfizer, probably because they had that PR on the pill. But yeah, Moderna down, Oxygen down, Novavax is down 4%. Peloton, which is in the meme index, meme stock, down 3.6%. What else we got here? Zoom 3.15%. Robinhood down 2.91%. That's also in the meme index. GME 2.61%. Yeah, so it looks like a lot of the memes in the meme index are down today. GME, DraftKings, Roku, Skills, Fubo, Square. Those are all in the meme index. Wish. Those are all down. Not by that much, though. There's not too much price action on the red side other than, like, Moderna, Oxygen, CEI, Alibaba. Everything else was, like, pretty... Didn't do too bad today. Wish keeps pulling back, down 1.69%, although that did recover a good amount. That was down to 3 at one point. Tilray down 1.4%. That's also in the meme index. So Facebook is down, or Meta is down 1.12%. Interesting, because that's a blue chip value stock. NASDAQ did really good today, so I wonder why Facebook is underperforming today. Interesting. Then we got Twitter down 1%, Neo down 1%. Yeah, meme index down 0.94%. Riot and Marathon are down. Those are crypto stocks. That's pretty much it. So yeah, definitely, today was definitely led by value stocks, blue chip value stocks, for the most part. And there wasn't too much on the red side, but a few growth stocks / meme stocks did get wrecked. So, you know, hope you guys made money today. Boomers definitely made money. And yeah, the common sense investing people made money today. Apes, I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys made money today. Great way to end the week. Well, we're not done yet, but we're finishing strong here. Looks like the Santa rally is on. And hopefully tomorrow is more of the same. Dog Elon Mars pumping. Interesting. We'll check that out right now. AVCT, what do you think price target? They have meeting tomorrow with stockholder. Well, I will say that's not necessarily a good thing if they're doing a meeting. that could be a sell the news event. It usually is. But let me take a look at this. So there's a gap here at like $2, 195-ish. That's not good. That it might come back down to 195. So, do they have earnings tomorrow, or is it just like a stockholder meeting? I think it's earnings. Let me check here. I don't know. I think they're doing earnings tomorrow. Let me see. AVCT. I don't actually know. But I'm assuming it's earnings. Wow, it went up a lot today, though. Yeah, it gapped up today. It gapped up today from 195. So it's probably going to pull back to 195. So if you're in right now, I'd say consider taking profits. This is probably buying the rumor, because I don't see any news here. So there's no reason to justify this price action. So this is probably just buying the rumor in anticipation for tomorrow's meeting. And, you know, not financial advice, but usually during a catalyst like this where people expect a big event, it usually sells off. So I think it's going to come back to down to 195, honestly. Maybe not in a day tomorrow, but it should bleed back down to 195. So, you know, just speculation on my part, though. I think today's run was buying the rumor, and tomorrow it's going to sell the news. So, not sure if you're in this or looking to get in Monier, but I would say if you're in it, probably a good idea is to sell right now. You know, there is a cup and handle here forming, so it may go up a little more to like $3, but can't keep running forever. There's also another gap here at 110, so yeah, double gap up. That's not looking too great. This looks kind of bearish to me, to be honest. So I'd personally, if I was in this, I'd look to take profits pretty soon. You are not in now. Yeah, I think it's going to go back down to 195. What time stock market closing tomorrow? I believe normal time. Should be 4 o'clock. Normal time. But market is closed on Friday, so no show on Friday, guys. Okay, so yeah, let's get to crypto now. 1 second. Let me pull it up. All right, so the hell is this? Dogemon Go? I remember this. Dogemon Go. So you get an NFT. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys saw the new South Park. I just saw it yesterday. It was pretty hilarious. They just ripped on NFTs. Like, they just essentially called NFTs a scam, which most of it is. But yeah, Dogemon Go. You know, this is like a ripoff from Pokemon Go. You get an NFT for free, apparently. But alright, so damn sirens. Gonna talk over it, guys. My apologies. So crypto is up 1.34% today. Dogemon is Pokemon Go of Dogecoin. I actually would like to try it. It doesn't sound that great. What did they make, like 300 Pokemon or something? Dogemons? That's like a lot of work to actually create. But it sounds pretty bad, but I'd like to try it. Why not? So let's see what's going on here. So we got Baby Floki Billionaire. I think we saw this a few times, but this is #1 trending, up 14.5%. Then we got Meta Pets, 22.76%. This has been trending for a few days here, Meta Pets. And then Nevada. The hell's Nevada? Okay. Nevada. I have no idea what that is, but that's down about 6%, trending here. Then we got Crypto Mafia, which we talked about, or which we saw, I think, yesterday. That's up another 1,100%. Mellow Token. Don't know what that is. 588%. And SwapX. I don't know what that is either, but 533%. And then here we got Space Crypto. Yoi Shiba Inu. Yoi Shiba Inu. Okay. I don't know what that is, but another meme coin getting wrecked there. Down 25.8%. And Oregon X. Okay. Interesting. I sold XCLA. I am sold XCLA next week. I see it back under $1. I will re-enter. Okay. Well, not sure what your entry is, Monir. I think right now the best option is to hold. I don't think it's going to go under $1, but it very well could. But if you're in it, I just hold, for now. I think your entry was like 113 or something. So, yeah, I guess, if it goes back there to your entry, you can just dump it for break even. But, you really can't go too wrong holding on the long side here. It really shouldn't go down too much more. So, yeah, I think the best option here is just to hold. But, if you want to dump it, I'd say dump it at your break even at least. And, yeah, if it goes under $1, that definitely is a good buy, not financial advice. What up, Ragnar Santana? What up, BRAD16? What's your thoughts on SEAC? Yeah, we'll get to SEAC. We're going to discuss that second today after NAKD. So if you guys want to stick around for a little bit, maybe like 20 minutes or so, 15, 20 minutes, we'll get to that. But let me take a quick look here. Pulling back here. What happened is they merged. They announced their official merger. So, yeah, we'll get more into detail on this in a little bit. But in short, they merged with Triller. So it mooned on the PR, the news, and now it's pulling back. Which, is typical of... This is not a SPAC, but it's pretty typical, It jumped on PR, and now it's pulling back. But it's still up 9.5% today. But, yeah, I feel bad for everyone who bought in at the high here. But that is what happened today. It jumped on PR. So my thoughts on this, we'll get to that very soon. But in short, it looks bearish to me. Not financial advice, but... and I'll do the full TA when we get to this in a little bit. But, it does look pretty bearish right now. High RSI. It's like 69 RSI. Nice. And, yeah, it popped on PR. It looks like it's short squeezing. It's like coming to the end of a short squeeze here. So I do think it's going to pull back in the short term at least. But I'll go more in depth and discuss why I think so. If you guys want to stick around in a little bit, we'll get to this. We're gonna finish crypto and do NAKD first. Then we'll get to SEAC. But yeah, guys, appreciate you guys for coming in. And if you guys want to stick around, I'll do a full TA. Or if you guys want to come back and rewind, I'll timestamp it and I'll do a video later tonight. Okay, back to crypto here. All right, now we got a troll in here. Get out of here. All right, he's out of here. Cool. All right, on to crypto. So, a lot of green. Up 1.34% today. So, not the most price action, but I'll take it. A lot of green here. So, Bitcoin is up 0.64%. That's up 49K. That's up to 49K. Ether up 0.24%, still above 4K. Binance up 2.11%. Solana 1.69%. XRP 3.35%. Cardano doing pretty well here today, 4.45%. Very nice. Polkadot. Big day for Polkadot, 11.55%. Doge is up 3%. Let's go Doge. Big day for Sheeb, 11.77%. I didn't see Troll in the chat. I already kicked him out. So, yeah, he's out of here already. Yeah, big day for Sheeb. Polygon, Matic still going up. 12.78%, up 21% for the week there. Crypto.com 4%. Litecoin 1.36%. Bitcoin Cash 1.31%. I don't see any red so far. Near Protocol, Cosmos, those are mooning today. FTX is down a little bit. Ether Classic 2.8%. So overall, a lot of green here. Let's sort this out. Okay. So it looks like 90%, 95% of the coins in the top 100 are in the green today. A lot of green here. A lot of green. And a lot of price action too. A bit deceiving. The total market cap is a bit deceiving because there is a lot of green here. But most of the green is because of smaller cap coins, growth coins. The value coins, you know, the blue chip value coins didn't move too much. But great day to be an altcoin holder today. Are you talking about the username start with letter SPI? He spam his Von Rent? I think so. It's some like some Russian name or something. But I already kicked him out. So let's see what's going on here. So yeah, Near Protocol, Cosmos, those are... Yeah, there's a lot of price action here. Mostly by smaller cap coins though. Near Protocol, Cosmos, Icon, Cello. What up, Joe? Nice seeing you. Nice seeing you again, man. Appreciate you for being here. Yes, nice having you back here in the show, dude. Hope all is well with you and the wife and the kids. Okay. Yeah, so a lot of price action here on the green side. Polygon, Sheeb, and Polkadot are by far the biggest gainers for the value coins. But yeah, this is pretty much all growth coins here. So yeah, I'm not going to run through all of this, but great day to be an altcoin holder today. Everything went up, but, you know, value coins, not so much. Great day to be an altcoin holder. On the red side, not too much went down. Only Yearn Finance. So Yearn Finance is down 8%. But it's still up 54% for the week. So a healthy pullback there. And then, other than that, Loopring, Leo, XDC, and FTX are the only other coins that are down. And not by much. Most of these are just healthy pullback. So, yeah, you really couldn't have lost too much on crypto today. So, you know, congratulations to everyone in crypto. Especially to the altcoin holders. But everyone making bank here on crypto. So great day in the stock market. Great day for crypto. And, yep, hope you guys made some fat tendies today. Santa Rally is on. For now. Got one more day to go. I want to buy some stock next week for some profit in January. Which stock I can in my checklist? Can you check? Thanks as always. honestly, dude, I shouldn't really give you a specific stock, any specific stocks to invest in, but you know, you can just buy SPY. Can't go wrong with SPY. Um, I would say I don't really like doing this, but you know, Tesla looks like a pretty good buy right now. Moderna looks like a pretty good buy right now. Um, but I just say if you want to be safe, just go with SPY. But it's just my opinion, not financial advice. Moderna looks really good to me right now. And Tesla is recovering here. I don't know, you know, after today it went up a lot already. Actually, no, scratch that. Don't buy Tesla. It's gonna come back down. Buy Tesla at 940. It should come back down at 940. So I would say Moderna and Tesla at 940 and SPY, Monir. So I hope that answers your question. But yeah, to be honest, if you want to be safe, just go for SPY. I have noticed Von Rent spam, go other people live stream. Yeah, it's a scammer. I don't know what he wants, but he wants you to click some link or something, and it's a scammer, troll scammer. Check my link for CoinMarketCap. Yep. All right, so we'll look at this, and then we'll get on to our news today, which I think you'll like. Thanks, Ty. You're welcome, Onir. Yeah, Moderna is a good longer term hold. I don't know about, you know, just dumping it in January, but it's pretty cheap right now, and you know, good price action on that, and Moderna is going to be really relevant. You know, the C19 is not going anywhere, so I do like Moderna a lot right now. Not financial advice. Santa Inu, okay, lol. Santa's not a dog, so I don't know what the hell this is, but it's up 110% today. SPY? Yeah, SPY. You're not going to make a ton of money on SPY, but it's very, you know, a safe bet there. Clifford Inu tanking. Well, no surprise there. So, yeah, Santa Inu, this looks like a dump and pump and dump. Dump and pump and dump. Ridiculous. Don't buy this stuff, guys. Oh, let's look at Doggy Lawn Mars, too. Forgot about that. Doggy Lawn Mars 17% today. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Yeah, the growth coin's going up here today. Only play I made today was selling puts on BlackBerry. Yeah, I think BlackBerry did pretty decent. Yep. So it looks like a pretty good play, dude. And EV is pretty decent, pretty high. You know, not the highest, but 70, you know, 70, 80% EV. So some pretty fat tendies there, pretty fat premium. And you can't really go too much lower. So, you know, I'd probably go with the 850 strike here, if they have that. They do. So 850 strike looks good. Holding up really well there. And, yeah, that should print, dude. So, looks like a good play to me. And then BKKT. I don't know if this broke your strike, but, yeah, I do like that BKKT play. But, yeah, BlackBerry play there looks really good, man. So, that should print. Well, no matter what happens, even if it goes down, you know, like 850 is some pretty strong support there. So I think 850 would be a great strike to sell puts on. So not sure what your strike was, but yeah, good play, dude. That should work out for you. All right, so let's get to my article today. Only got one article. And that is about options. Your strikes are 950. The Greeks are taking care of me. So you sold in the money. Oh, on BKKT. I thought you were talking about BlackBerry. So BKKT. All right, so It's in the money right now, but, shouldn't be too bad at all if you get it signed at 950. That's a pretty decent price there. And then you can just wheel it and sell calls. And that one is fat premium, so yeah, good play on that. Good play on BlackBerry, man. Good luck to you. All right. So today our article is about retail option traders. I think you guys will like this. Let's read. Options trading activity hits record powered by retail investors, but most are playing a losing game. No surprise there. All right, key points. A record of 39 million option contracts have traded daily on average this year, rising 35% from 2020. Retail investors now account for more than 25% of this trading activity. However, the majority of these small-time traders are buying the most basic call and put options, which have a much lower probability of profit compared with advanced strategies like option spreads. Yeah, the hedge funds are, doing multi-legged strategies to hedge their bets mainly. Retail just Yolos. Everybody in the business knows that if you're going to only buy out of the money calls, then you're likely going to lose money over time, said John Foley, CEO of Options AI. And we got a picture here, Robinhood. That's pretty accurate. I want to know how many of these traders are from Robinhood. But yeah. So no surprise here, but there's an actual article on CNBC about this. So, retail investors in general are investing more, but and options have gotten a lot more popular, especially with the rise of Wall Street bets and whatnot. So, yeah, kind of sad because people, I get the logic. They're trying to hit it big, but it's not a winning strategy over the long term. So, hopefully retail can learn from this. Everyone has to get burned and to become a better trader. You got to learn from your mistakes. But, yeah, I think retail, I encourage retail traders to use better strategies, better option strategies, rather than just YOLO. There is a correct way to do this. Spreads, straddles, strangles, all that good stuff. Wheeling, whatever. YOLO is not a good way to make money over the long term. But, yeah, options are becoming popular now. But in reality, retail is just giving more money to the hedge funds. But, yeah, pretty cool stuff here. I thought you guys would like this. Retail YOLO options to strike rich overnight. Yeah, and they lose money. Some of them make it, but most of them go broke. What's your opinion on Hood? I sold a put there last week. I sold a ton of puts in different tickers last week. Well, fundamentally, it seems like a pretty good, long term, it's definitely a good play. Even though I personally hate Robinhood. I don't like the company at all. But, it's Robinhood. They're very powerful, very popular. They're not going anywhere. So, and right now this is a all-time low. So selling puts is not a bad idea at all here. Can't go too wrong selling puts here. So, my opinion is it does look like a good long-term play. A good play to sell puts on right now, to wheel on. But I really hate the company itself. But, got to admit, it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So those, the selling of the puts there, pretty good play. And IV is pretty high as well. So I do like that play, the selling of the puts there. So good luck to you, Joe. If I strike rich in options, I will cash out as soon as possible. Yeah, that's the trick with options. See, a lot of people in retail, they make money in options at some point. The problem is they don't hit the sell button. They get too greedy, don't hit the sell button, and it comes back down, and they lose all their money. So, if you're going to buy options, you definitely have to hit the sell button when you're up. You can't be too greedy. Statistically, 80% of options expire out of the money, and there's a good reason for that. So, if you're up And it's not financial advice, but if you're up on your options, hit the sell button. All right, guys. So that's it for our news, and let's go ahead and get into the TA. All right, so today, once again, we're going to be doing NAKD, Naked, SEAC, Seachange International, ALLK Allakos, and SOPA Society Pass. So this shouldn't take too long. These are pretty straightforward. I'll try to get through these as quick as possible. You know, I know this is the boring part, but this shouldn't take too long, guys, and then we'll get to the Yolos today. And the YOLO should be, there's some pretty good YOLOs today. So stick around for that. Appreciate everyone. Crypto Whale will be going in Robinhood when crypto wallet are open. I can see Crypto Whale will jump in stock options to play. Yeah, you know what I'm waiting for is crypto options. We have them on not Doge, Bitcoin and Ether so far, but it's not if, it's when there's Doge options, Sheep options. It's gonna be so ridiculous. But it's gonna be great content. I'm waiting for that day. Okay. Actually, this number here, 1200% is not correct. Let me pull up the right number here. It's down today. Open up stock twits. Oh. Okay, 13.68%. Okay. Got it. I sold 19 strikes on Hood, not worried about getting assigned. Yeah, so it's at like 18 something right now. So you sold like at the money strikes. So that should be some pretty fat premium. And you shouldn't get worried about, you shouldn't be worried about getting assigned. Because it's at an all-time low. It looks like it's bottoming out there. Should reverse soon. And even if it doesn't, you know, it's a good long-term hold, as much as I hate the company. I agree with you, though, Ty. Don't like Robinhood, but can't ignore them. Yeah, exactly. They're the real deal. Terrible company, but they're a real deal. All right, so let's do it, guys. So here's NAKD, Naked Brand Group. This finishes at $6.25 today. That is down 13.68%. Ignore this number up here. It's not up 1,200%. That is not the case. And we'll get to that right now. Very deceiving number here. So we did have some news on Naked. So let's check it out. So yesterday we had some news that the shareholders approved the Centro acquisition, which, if you guys recall, a while ago, I think a couple of months ago, not too long ago, Naked did make an offer to buy Centro, which is an EV company. Honestly, I don't know why. Naked is a clothing company. I don't know what they're doing going into the EV space, but okay. So that went through. They are going to acquire Centro. But that's not the reason for this price action today. The reason why this went up, and I put that in air quotes, is because they did a 1 to 15 reverse split. So NAKD was not in compliance with stock market rules. They were under $1. So to get in compliance, they needed to reverse split. So here they reverse split 15 or 1 to 15 today. So this opened at 675 after the split, and it pulled back 13.68% today. It is not up today, it is down. Very deceiving chart here. So really there is no TA to be done here on this chart, because that is also very deceiving. But, you know, if we do go by TA, there's a gap up here at, 55 cents. And the RSI is at 97. So that would mean extremely overbought and overvalued. But yeah, throw all the TA out the window today. That is super irrelevant. This chart is very deceiving right now. But let's go ahead and analyze here. And if you guys want to follow along, the link is in the description down below to the chart. So right now this is sitting on the support of 625, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, the next level of resistance would be 675, the all-time high, which it opened at today after the reverse split. And if it breaks that, then it's on to uncharted territory, and the market will decide for itself what the stock is worth. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 585, 340, 225, 185, and then at 165. And there is support below 165, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And yeah, RSI is pretty irrelevant at this point. It did 8.8 million in volume today, but that's after the reverse split. So that's pretty irrelevant at this point as well. But yeah, this is pretty straightforward here. Usually after reverse splits, the stock sells off, and I do think this has a lot of downside potential here. So, just my opinion, not financial advice, guys. This looks extremely bearish, in the short term at least. There is, well, all right. So right now with this current price, 625, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes, up until this hits 165. If/when this comes back down to 165, expect the price action to slow down. But yeah, I think this is pretty straightforward. This looks extremely bearish to me in the short term here. Huge channels here. If this breaks 585, this is going to go really, really bad. There's absolutely no support holding this up after 585. And it'll probably come back down to 340 if it does break 585. And if it breaks 340, then it'll probably come back down to 225. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. That'd be a really bad idea right now. It's not even a gamble at this point. It's just asking to lose money. Like I said, it'll probably pull back in the short term because of this reverse split. Generally speaking, when stocks reverse split, they do sell off. And in this case here, there's really no support holding this up. So if this continues to sell off, which it probably will, it'll probably go really, really bad. It's going to sell off very quickly. So I'm not sure how far this is going to go down, but there's a lot of downside potential here. And not too much upside potential. So I think going long here would be a high risk, low reward play. Really no reason to do that. You're asking to lose money if you go long here. Please don't do that, guys. If you want to go long, wait for a pullback. And you should be able to get this at a much, much better price than $6.25. I would say wait for at least $185 if you want to go long here. You should be able to get this at $185 and lower if you have patience. It'll probably take a while to get back down there, but it probably will go back down there. So yeah, I don't support going long here at $6.25. Bad idea, guys. Please don't do that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty excellent play to me. Like I said, a lot of downside potential here. Gonna be a lot of price action, and if this breaks 585, you're gonna make a lot of tendies, and it's really not too risky. Going short here would be a low risk, high reward play. You're definitely not gonna get squeezed out or anything, and a lot of downside potential. You should easily be able to make at least 50%, I would say. Easily. Probably even more. Maybe as much as 75% if this does come back down to like 185. So this looks like an easy short to me. Not financial advice. But yeah. A lot of downside potential. Not too much upside potential. Really no risk of getting squeezed out, and a good chance this goes timber to the downside here. So I would support going short at this current price, $6.25. That's an excellent entry, and I would say cover at $3.40 and lower. So yeah, looks like an excellent short to me. Easy play. Looks like free tendies, honestly, in my opinion. Not financial advice. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Consider cutting. Because this looks really, really bad. This looks like it's going to go timber. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NAKD, Naked Brand Group. You heard Chicago mayor asking federal agents to fight crime in Chicago. Trump was asking the mayor for help for federal agents. Yeah, she was the one, Lightfoot, right? Lori Lightfoot, I think her name is. She's the one saying, the store's getting robbed, should hire their own security, right? Like, stupid. I don't want to get too political here, but ridiculous stuff. She's like, you should hire your own security. And now she's backtracking because people are calling her stupid. So, yeah, no surprise there. Crime is way out of control, especially in Chicago, New York, LA, San Francisco. Yeah, crime is going crazy. So, yeah, in my opinion, they do need some federal agents there. We need some in New York as well, and LA, and San Fran. Punk Skater X, can you look at Palantir? Had a huge green candle today. Sure, dude. And thanks for being here. All right, yeah, so Palantir looks like it's very strong support at 18. You know, it's holding up at 18 very well. Tested that a couple times. So hopefully it doesn't break 18. It should not break 18. And there's a gap here at 24, so that's bullish. It should come back up to 24. Eventually to fill that gap. Don't know how long it's going to take, but it should come back up to 24. And it looks like it's cup and handling. Possible cup and handle in the making. That's another bullish indicator. So it should come back up to like 27 to complete that cup there. And there's also a gap down here at 31. So eventually it should come back up to 31. So it does look really bullish to me right now. You know, I used to be in Palantir. I sold at 27. But it's been pretty rough for Palantir. just a lot of bleeding, but it really shouldn't go lower than 18. So right now, this is a pretty good price to me, 1888. And it does appear like it's reversing right now. So looks like a pretty good buy to me right now. Not financial advice, but a lot of bullish indicators here. Pretty low RSI too, 41 RSI, so that's a below average. So yeah, double gap down, cup and handle, bottoming out, reversing. So it looks really bullish to me right now. So it looks good. So I hope that answers your question, dude. The ape like a new Jasmine coin. It is called Spell Coin. I've never heard of that. Maybe we take a look at that towards the end of the show. But Jasmine's going up. It's been trending lately. It's at 10 cents now, which is, I guess that's a win. Small win. Thank you. I'm a true Palantard lol. Yeah, I used to be. And then it started, and then it hit 18 back here. Not 18, but it hit, no, it did. I had it back here at like in the 20, I bought it 22, I think, and hit 18, and I stopped believing. And as soon as it came back up, I took small profits. I was out of there. So yeah, a lot of people are Palantards. One of my good buddies is a true Palantard. And it definitely is a good company long term. You know, I'm not expecting it to moon overnight like a lot of apes are, but long term it definitely is a good hold. So diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
And yeah, right now it looks like a great entry. So, you know, good luck to you, man. As a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. And appreciate you for joining the show today. I don't think I've seen you here before, so, you know, please consider subscribing, man. And please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. What up, folks? Sorry I'm late. Started my new gig today, and I've been installing crap all day onto my work PC. Oh, awesome, dude. Congrats on your job. Yeah, no problem, man. Just glad you could make the show. I hope you can, you know, make the future shows, but, you know, if work doesn't allow you to do that, no problem, man. But, you know, hope you can still join us for every show, and congrats to you on the new job. Spellcoin is crypto coin. Yeah, we can take a look at Spellcoin after I'm done with the TA. All right, next one. SEAC. All right. Need some new headphones here. This thing keeps falling out of my ear. Okay. Okay. So here is SEAC, Seachange International. This finishes at $1.96. That is up 9.5% today. So we discussed this stock last week, I believe, not too long ago. It appeared like it was short squeezing, and it looks like the squeeze is not over just yet. Still short squeezing. So this was trending top 10 on StockTwits today, so we'll talk about it once again. So we did have some news, so let's check that out first. Okay, so the company announced a merger agreement with Triller. The proposed business combination is expected to result in a value of Trillerverse at approximately $5 billion. So great PR. Really not breaking news or anything, because people did expect this merger to go through, but it officially went through today. And I guess the apes are really excited and jumped in here and caused the stock to squeeze even more. So, yeah, the past few days here, the past couple of weeks here, the stock has been squeezing, and it does not appear like it's done just yet. This is a low float stock, really not hard to squeeze here. But yeah, let's go ahead and analyze here. Really don't see any indicators, so we'll jump right into the support and resistance. So if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Okay. This is trading in the this is going up in the aftermarket here, up to 210. So that's a good sign for tomorrow that this will continue to run to the upside. Hopefully, we have to see where this ends in the aftermarket, but right now it is looking pretty good for tomorrow. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 202 and 193. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 202, 208, 215, 320, and then 343. The yearly high, which you hit today. Should we go back? I don't even have support and resistance there, so I guess not. And there is resistance above 343, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 193, 187, 180, 175, 169, 164, 159, and then 154. And there is support below 154, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now, at this current price, 196, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 215 to the upside, the channels are very wide. So expect significant price action if/when this so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 215. Actually, I probably should draw more. Yeah, give me a second, guys. Don't want to spend too much time on this here. Forgot this went back 3 years. So I guess we got to redo this because there's a lot of support and resistance here. Okay, that's fine. Alright, let's actually redo this, guys, because there is actually more support and resistance here. Ecomi is finally migrating over to Ethereum via Immutable X first of the year, so it's going to Moon next year. So, good stuff, man. I really don't know too much about that, but hopefully it does Moon. So good luck to you, man. Nice to hear. All right, low roller, don't know what that is, but we can look at that towards the end of the show there. So let's actually redo the support and resistance, guys. All right, let's redo that. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 202 and 193. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 202, 208, 215, 232, 245, 256, 270, 280, 289, $3, 309, 320, 331, and then 343. The yearly high which it hit today. And there is resistance above 343, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 193, 187, 180, 175, 169, 164, 156, and then 154. And there is support below 154, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 196, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 215 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 215. RSI is currently at 69. Nice, lol. So not quite overbought and overvalued anymore, but very close to there. So be careful, guys. This was considered to be overbought and overvalued a couple of days ago, and this did 215 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Average is 4.4 million. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. This does appear to be still short squeezing, but this already went up so much from 75 cents. So there still may be upside potential, but the squeeze here should be coming to an end in the relative short term. I would say within the next few trading sessions. So, generally speaking, this doesn't end well. Someone's gonna get caught holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. This will have to come back down eventually at some point, and it's gonna come back down just as fast as it went up. Really not too many indicators here other than the high RSI and the yearly high, which are both bearish. No bullish or neutral indicators. So this stock does appear to be pretty bearish in the short term at least. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, it does have more upside potential, but you already missed a lot of the upside here. And there's probably not too much more upside potential. The squeeze looks like it's coming to an end here. So, I don't think it's a great idea. You're probably going to get burned. But, again, there is still more upside potential. So, if you want to go long, please understand that it is a straight-up gamble, not really an investment. I don't think it's a great idea, but if you do understand your gambling and you're willing to lose some money here, then I would say sure, go for it. But I really don't think that's a great idea. Another troll here. Another Russian troll. I get him out of here in a second. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I wouldn't do it just yet because, again, there does appear to be a little bit more upside potential. But coming up here in the relative short term, you'd want to try to catch the top of the squeeze here. So I would just observe the price action, see when this starts to top out, and try to catch the top here. In fact, this already may be the top. And right now, this entry of 196 really is already a pretty good entry on the short side. But if you're a little patient, you should be able to get a little bit better. So I would support going short at this current price, 196 and higher. As long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, this looks like a pretty good short play to me. Going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play, I would say. Not sure how far it's going to go down, but it certainly looks like this could pull back 25, 50%. So, yeah, going short here looks like a pretty good play to me. Not financial advice. But again, there is still risk involved, so please do that at your own risk. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. But like I said, looks pretty bearish in the short term here. Gonna have to pull back eventually. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SEAC, Seachange International. All right, let's get this troll out of here. All right, he's out of here. All right, next one, ALLK. You guys are going to like this one. Look at that. All right, so I hear a siren coming up here, so I'm going to mute, take a drink, and we'll get back to this. All right, my bad, guys. I did not look at the 3-year chart, so there I do got to draw some more here. Give me a quick second. Pretty unprepared today. I was prepared, I just didn't realize this went back on the 3-year chart. So that's my bad, guys. Let me just handle this real quick. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, that looks pretty decent. Sure, okay, we'll roll with this. Cool. All right. So here's ALLK Allakos. This finishes at $8.55 today. That is down 89.87%. Very nasty day for the stock today. Went from 80 down to 855. Disgusting. But there was a reason, but there were multiple reasons as to why this happened. So let's check it out. Okay. So the Enigma 2 and Cryptos studies did not achieve statistical significance on patient-reported symptomatic co-primary endpoints. So I'm not a financial professional, but I understand that their clinical trials were very disappointing. Bad results. So very bad PR there. And because of that, a lot of hedge funds downgraded here. Barclays downgrades to $8. SVB Leerlink downgrades to $17. Cohen and Company downgrades. They don't have a price target, but they do downgrade there. So yeah, very bad PR. Hedge funds are pulling all their money, and stock got rugged today. Nasty stuff. But let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have a gap down today at 81.35. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling, bullish indicator that is telling us the stock should eventually come back up to 81.35 to fill that gap. That's about it. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of... Let me fix this actually. Yeah, whatever. So right now this is sitting on the support of 855, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1040, 3055, 35.35, 39.40, 41.80, 45, 48.25, 52.65, 55.85, 58.70, 61.50, 65.90, 70.20, 72.50, 75.95, 78.25, 81.35, uh-oh, losing frames. Um, 83.25, and then 85.15. And there is resistance above 35.18. Excuse me. 85.15. And there is resistance above 85.15, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And to the downside, that is uncharted territory. Literally at the 3-year low. Maybe not the all-time low, but I can't go back after 3 years. So, no support on the graph, at least, below this current price. The troll is back. Yeah, what are all these trolls doing here? Holy crap. Get out of here. Okay. So, right now at this current price, 8.55, the channels to the upside. The channel to the upside is really wide. Next channel is at 30.55. So expect a significant increase in price action if this runs to the upside. And then once this hits 39.40, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this hits 39.40. So from 10.40 to 39.40, expect a significant increase in price action. And can't comment on the downside because this is the 3-year low. RSI is currently at 15, so that is extremely undervalued, extremely oversold. So this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, guys. And this did 60 million in volume today. Huge volume. Yeah. Biggest volume day ever for this stock. So this sell-off / rug today was confirmed by the volume. Average volume is 420,000. So, yeah, huge volume on this stock today. And this is running in the aftermarket here up to 940. So that's a good indicator for tomorrow that this will continue to run to the upside. So that's bullish there. Okay, guys, so I think this one is pretty straightforward. A lot of bullish indicators here. No neutral or bearish indicators. This is pretty obvious here. This is an excellent buying opportunity. This may have more downside potential, but it really can't get too much worse. And there's a lot of upside potential here. Like I said, there's a gap down at 81.35. So this should come back up to 81.35 eventually to fill that gap. It may take a while. And by a while, I mean like probably years. But it should get back up there eventually. So from this current price, 85.55, That's about 1,000% upside there. A lot of upside potential. And in the short term, it does appear to be a pretty good play as well. Definitely not 1,000%, but this does appear to be a good buy long term and short term. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I could support that. Again, looks like an excellent play to me. May pull back a little bit more, but you really can't go wrong. You really can't go too wrong here at 855. And yeah, like I said, eventually it should come back up to 81.35 to fill that gap. So going long here would be a low risk, high reward play. Really can't go too wrong here. Going long. Not too much risk to the downside, not too much downside potential, and a lot of upside potential. So this looks like a clear buy right now, not financial advice. And if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Really doesn't make too much sense. No reason to do that at all. This is literally the 3-year low. Can't go down too much further. You should have went short earlier today. You would have made some fat tendies, but now it's too late. You missed the boat. And again, not too much downside potential. You'd be shorting for crumbs here and exposing yourself to a lot of risk. So absolutely no reason to go short here. That would be a high risk, low reward play. Please don't do that, guys. So yeah, pretty straightforward here. Excellent buy. And you should print some fat tendies, long and short term. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Very nasty. But like I said, this looks like a very good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ALLK Allakos. All right, last one, guys. I feel like I'm talking a lot, but let's get this over with. So here's SOPA, Society Pass. This finishes at 1631. What is this? Delete this one. This finishes at 1631. That is up. This finishes at $16.31. That is up 53.43% today. So we discussed this stock not too long ago, probably a couple of days ago. This was squeezing, and it appears like it is not done squeezing just yet. It appears like it's still in the middle of a short squeeze here. So this was trending top 10 on StockSplits today, so we shall discuss it once again. Really no reason to justify this price action. No news today. So I'm going to assume just a bunch of apes continuing to jump in here and squeeze the stock. So let's go ahead and analyze. So first of all, we have a possible cup and handle in the making here. Top of the cup appears to be 39, and the bottom appears to be 325. So that is currently a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock may come back up to 39 to complete this cup. Come on. Why is this not working? There we go. And we do have a gap up at 375. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock may come back down to 375 to fill that gap. Looks pretty unlikely at this point. but very noteworthy. So, just pay attention to that, guys. Gap up 375, bearish indicator. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1660 and 1255. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1660, 1850, 3010, 3395, 3895, 4070, 4360, 4530, 4860, 5205, 5460, and then the high of 7735. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $12.55, $11, $9.65, $7.15, $6.35, $5.60, $4.45, and then the low of $3.25. Let me make sure. Yeah, 445 and then 325. Okay. So right now at this current price, 1630, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to 715, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 715 to the downside. RSI is currently at 46, so that still is below average, even after this went up 400% here. Amazing. More than that. No, it is 400%. And this did 107 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Second biggest volume day ever. So this pump today, this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And this, yeah, forget it. Okay. Okay, guys. So, just my opinion, not financial advice. It appears like we are still squeezing here. How much more it's going to squeeze, I have no idea. But this does have the potential to go back to 39 to complete the cup, like I said before. Really, this is a gamble either way right now, long and short. Like I said, channels are really wide in either direction. So honestly, I think the best play would be to stay away from this altogether. That'd be the safer option. But if you guys want to gamble, then... But if you guys want to go long, not financial advice, I don't think that's the greatest idea. Not saying this won't keep squeezing. It very well could. But, yeah, going long would be a straight-up gamble right now. Not really investing. So as long as you understand you are gambling and you can afford to lose some money, then I would say sure, go for it. Going long here would be a high-risk, high-reward play. Again, has the potential to go up to 39 and higher. No, not 30 and higher. Has the potential to go back up to 39. And that would be over a 100% upside right now. About a 150% upside from the current price. So, a lot of potential tendies to be made to the upside here, but highly risky. So please do that at your own risk. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet, at least. This will have to pull back eventually. But this does have more upside potential here. So I would try to time this on the short side. Observe the price action, see when this starts to top out, and try to catch the top of the squeeze here. So the downside is also a lot of tendies to be made. Again, there's a gap up at 375. So if it does pull back there, even at this current price, 1630, that is that would be over a 75% downside from this current price. So you should be able to get an even better one if you wait a little bit. So going short eventually, going short very soon here looks like a pretty good play. I would say just not yet, because you want to catch this at the very top. And you could get squeezed out if this does in fact keep squeezing to the upside. So I don't like the current price of 1630, although it is pretty decent already. But yeah, if you want to go short, I would recommend holding off for right now and try to catch this at the top. And if you do, there's a lot of tendies to be made to the downside here. But yeah, again, could go either way right now. Very risky stuff. So the better, more conservative play would be to just hold off altogether. But if you guys want to gamble, then sure, go for it. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SOPA Society Pass. Alright guys, that is it for the TA. Took a bit longer than I wanted. Very boring stuff, but we're through with it. And let's get on to the Yolos today. Got a lot of fun Yolos. So let's end this on a good note here. Okay. So let me pull my Yolos up, then we'll get to low rollers, and then, I don't know what that YouTube video is, but I guess we can look at that too. So give me a second here, guys. How many people still in here? 6. There's a lot of people in here. Okay. Pretty surprised. I thought most of you guys would leave after the TA, but good stuff. Appreciate everyone. If everyone could do me a favor, please smash the like button. Would appreciate that. Alright, let me pull up the Yolos here. Got quite a bit. Look at spell coin right. Gotta get to that after the Yolos. Alright, so we'll let this finish loading and we'll get started here. Okay. So today should be fun. Got a few memes. Got a bunch of general portfolio. Lost corn. And then we have a few Tesla YOLOs. And one Costco YOLO. So let's do it, guys. So this first one is by the real Alex Lifeson. They say for it is he who controls the narrative and sets the retarded bar. So, we got our legend here, the GUG guy, control the narrative. This guy. You bought Wish at 11 and sold it for $3. I took $2,000 and autistically leveraged myself into a $50,000 retarded loss. We are not the same. So, yep. So this is like, you know, ripping on people who bought Wish, because it's been getting wrecked the past couple of months. And a few people did do this. They did take a leverage on Wish, and really not doing too great right now. So, yeah, I thought this was pretty funny. Respect to the GUG guy. He's forever a legend. And RIP to all the Wish holders. Where's my... RIP. Alright. Now we got a good amount of portfolio lost corn here. This one is by Ricky ZPR. Not once was I able to turn it around. Lifetime supply of write-offs. Yep. 25 years at least. So not a lifetime, but damn close to it. So yeah, here we see he has $300 left in his account. Down $74K for the year. So, this looks like a gradual bleed. So, this looks like FD Yolos or max margin. Either one, not great. But, great lost corn. Great content. Great, very entertaining. So, yeah. Don't do this, guys. Don't FD YOLO. Don't max margin unless you can afford to lose the money. Hope this guy could afford to lose it. But, yeah. Ricky ZPR, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. But, I guess you kind of deserve this one. But, hey. You belong here, man. Appreciate the post. And, yeah, not quite a lifetime supply of write-offs, but 25 years. So, a long time of write-offs here. So, yeah, dude. Sorry for your loss. Hope you can afford to lose it. Hope you make your money back. Good luck to you in the future. Thanks for posting. Can you tell me your strategy, please? I would love to never do this and always trade the opposite. Easy. Get greedy and don't take profit. Also decide to let it ride because you got no day trades left. Place puts on SPY believing yourself smarter than the algos when it is obviously in an effing uptrend. Only to realize at the end of the year the error of your rainbow bearness and be late to the bull party. Place calls on Nvidia a month away and the next day sell it at a loss because it fell $10 because you were cowardly, only to rise $30 the next 2 days where you could have made 30K, things like that. So he pretty much effed up everywhere. Good stuff. Alright, this one is by Long Waltz 3368. Should I drop my Venmo? Y'all want to donate? Alright, so this is even worse than the other guy. He has $3 in his account. Down 138K all time. Yeah, ouch. So, yeah, more lost corn. Same thing. Probably did this with FD YOLOs. Tried to make it back and went really, really wrong. Good stuff here. So, yeah. So, RIP to this guy. I give him the Wendy's. And I give him the RIP. So really nothing much else to say. Great stuff here. Sorry for your loss, and yeah, you definitely belong here. Great stuff. Great content. So Long Waltz 3368, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Totally deserve it, but you are a legend. Hope you can afford to lose this, and good luck to you in the future, dude. All right, another one. Reloaded. All right, this one is by on the street anonymity. Re-uploaded cause mods. I've gambled with more than I can afford to lose. This is only one account. Total losses are around 700k. Please send help. All right. So here he's in Allakos. Still is 48k here in Allakos, but his cost average is $80. And now it's at like 850. So yeah. In one day he lost 287k in this one stock. Ouch. And apparently his total losses are 700k. So it gets worse than this. And this was in shares too. This wasn't even in option FD Yolos. So this one is more impressive than the other ones. Feel really bad though. So 700k loss. Ouch. Hope he can afford to lose that. No, he couldn't. I've gambled with more than I can afford to lose. So yeah, damn dude. Really sucks. So, you know, hope you guys can learn from this. Don't gamble more than you can afford to lose, obviously. But this is pretty unfortunate because this wasn't even like FD Yolos. This was just sad. This is unfortunate circumstance. So, on the street anonymity, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, man. I feel kind of bad for you here. This wasn't like too self-inflicted. It kind of was because this is not great diversification. But I feel like you got unjustly wrecked here. So, yeah, RIP to you, dude. Oops, wrong one. Although he gets to win these also. So, yeah, man. Sorry for your loss. Thanks for posting. Great content. You are a legend. And, you know, hope it's not too bad. I hope you're okay. And good luck to you in the future, dude. Joke's on me. I use my family's accounts too. I don't think they'll be selling a good portion of the write-offs. Ouch. Yeah, so it's one thing if you lose your own money. Another thing if you lose your family's money. That's pretty bad. Yeah, I actually feel pretty bad for this guy. All right, let's get on to some YOLOs here. Got a few Tesla YOLOs. This one is by OK Traffic 9867. Papa Elon giveaway. God bless the Queen. So here we have 10 calls for Tesla. What's the strike here? $9.60 strike. Expiring tomorrow, December 23rd. So super FDs here. This was a 3K YOLO, approximately 3.5K YOLO. And right now he's up 48K, 1,431%. So this one's pretty amazing because he got super, super lucky today. If it wasn't for today, you know, it probably would have went to zero. Yeah, he was down 4K at the start of the day in total, and now he's up 48K. So super luck here, because Tesla did go up like 7% today. Very, very lucky. Very lucky. This is not typical, guys. So, amazing stuff here. No skill involved, straight luck. So, at this point, I think this is pretty obvious. You got to cut here. You got 1 day to go. Probably not going to expire out of the money, but you got extremely lucky. No reason to hold this any longer. Dude, just cut it, secure the gains. And thank Jesus. Yep. So, yeah, the play itself, I guess it was a decent expiration. I mean, decent strike. Bad expiration. And it was pretty bad timing, but he got lucky here at the end. So, I guess it's an okay play. Really not the greatest. Just pure luck here. So, okay, traffic. 9867. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. This was supposed to go really bad, and you got saved last minute here. Really don't deserve these gains, but hey, congratulations to you, man. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. So yeah, at this point, so the play itself, not the greatest. It's okay, but yeah, got really lucky here. And at this point, only one thing to do: cut it, dude. It shouldn't go out of the money, but you never know what's gonna happen in 1 day, like today. So yeah, obvious play here. Cut it, secure the gains, enjoy the tendies. So thanks for posting. Congrats to you, and good luck to you, man. Okay. So this one is by Tua Turns the Ball Over. Reviewed this guy before. Been a while, but I remember reviewing this guy. I remember the name. Tua Turns the Ball Over. Sounds like a Dolphins fan. But yeah, more Tesla Yolos here. We got, I think you already sold, but here we have 980 strike. This expiring tomorrow, December 23rd. So yeah, not exactly sure how many there were. But in 1 day, he's up 785%. So I think he had probably had 3 of them, because it says profit on the day here is $997,900 So I think there's 3 calls here. And I think he already sold. He cashed out. So another play here. Super, super lucky because Tesla went up so much today. Not much skill, just pure luck. The strike was decent. Bad expiration. Bad timing, but got lucky here. Same thing as the other guy. And yeah, like I was going to say, got to sell. Have to sell. Obvious play. He already did. So, not as much money as the other guy. He had 10 calls, but, you know, another lucky play here. Managed to finish up $9,800. And, yeah, good stuff, good stuff. So Tua turns the ball over. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you, man. Not the greatest play. Got really lucky here. So I'm glad you already cashed out. You already knew you had to. And yeah, thanks for posting. Good luck to you, man. Congrats. $90-minute hold. I guess I wasn't lucky. I guess it still was lucky, but anyway, good stuff. All right. This one is by Informal Dinner 7268. Tesla sold 100 calls for a small profit yesterday. Oh boy, this hurts. This hurts. So let's check this one out. Um. Okay, yeah. So he had $1,000 calls here. He had 115 $1,000 calls. So I'm not sure how much he made. In total. I guess we can do the math. I'll do the math real quick. So we cashed out for he cashed out for $7,300, which is not bad. But if he held on, let's see what they would have been worth here. If he held on, $1,000. Wow. So we'll call it 1,200. So he would have made 138,000 if he held it today, but instead he cashed out for 7,300. So I guess you can't complain about a gain, but that's a lot of potential tendies lost there. That hurts a lot. Yeah, ouch. Should have made like 1,500% more on that. But you know, I don't know why it's labeled loss. It's not a loss. It's a small profit. But a lot of potential tendies lost here. So I understand why he cashed out. You know, if he didn't, he probably would have lost a lot of money. So he secured the small gains instead of losing all that money. Smart on him. But yeah, decent strike. I mean, decent strike, bad expiration, and bad timing. So, yeah, I kind of feel bad for this guy. Although, you know, again, not too bad because he did profit. But a lot of tendies lost here. A lot of potential tendies lost here. I know it hurts. That sucks a lot. Diamond hands work sometimes, yeah. Not often, but here, today, it did, for sure.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Santa Rally done golfed. What up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Yeah, big Santa Rally right now. Golfed. I don't know what golfed means. Are you referring to Jared Goff on the Lions? Anyway. So yeah, sometimes diamond hands does work. You probably shouldn't do it, but here it did work. Rare occasion. So yeah, informal dinner, 7268. Thanks for posting. Goofed. Okay. Yeah, goofed. We're finishing pretty strong here. So hopefully one more day of the Santa Rally. You know, it's still down a lot from the last couple of weeks, but nice little rally here to end the week for sure. So yeah, informal dinner, 7268. Thanks for posting. This really hurts, dude, but at least you didn't lose anything. It's still a win. Small win, but I know this hurts a lot. That's how it goes, dude. Can't be too upset though. At least you didn't lose all your money. So thanks for posting. Congrats on your small gain. Sucks you didn't make more, but hey, could have been a lot worse. So good luck to you, man. Thanks for posting. Santa Rally into New Year. Yeah, New Year rally. That'd be nice. That'd be very nice. But you know, with all the tapering and stuff, I wouldn't count on it too much. But you know, fingers crossed. All right, last one here, or for me at least. And then we got a few from Low Roller. This one is by Whatever I Suck. Whatever I Suck? Okay. Appreciation post for Redditors DD 600% gains on Costco. 340 call expiring January 21st. Okay, so this was good. This was a leaps here. Well done. This is not a super FD ape YOLO play. This is well done. So 2 calls for Costco, 340 strike. Expiring January 21st. This was a 6K YOLO. And right now he's up almost $35,000. 604%. Very nice, very nice. Let's check out Costco. Wow, way in the money, way in the money. Costco's at 550. I used to have Costco back in the 300s as well. Should have helped. But yeah, 550 Costco's at. So you can go about this a few ways here. I definitely would take something off the table, at least the cost basis. Costco is at an all-time high right now. So I would either cut the cost basis or just cut everything. But, you know, this should not go out of the money in 1 month. I guess you can just let it ride as well. It's not going back to 340. It really shouldn't, at least. So, yeah, either way, no matter what you do, big win here. But, yeah, great play. Great strike, great expiration, well-timed, all-around really great play. This is how you do it, guys. Leaps, not FD YOLOs. So, whatever, I suck. Thanks for posting. Great play here. Well done. Well deserved. All around great. Great strike, great expiration, great timing. And at this point, no matter what you do, you're in great shape here. Cut the cost basis, let it ride. Cut it all, or just let it ride. No matter what, fat tendies. So, well done. Well deserved. So, congrats to you, man. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you in the future. All right, let's pull up these 3 here. And low roller, what is that YouTube video about? All right, let's let this load. Gonna take a drink here. No, I guess not. 16 contracts. 1080 calls. Tesla yesterday at 17 cents. Sold this morning at 74. Could have bought more, but I'm blessed. Yeah, so more getting lucky on Tesla here. And it's not even at 1080, so he did the right thing in selling. Is this really a gain, though? How much did he buy him for? That's what I want to know. If he sold him at 74... or is it $74? I don't think it went up that high. 7,400. Yeah, I wonder what his actual gain was. This doesn't seem like that much. I think he just escaped with a small profit. But yeah, either way, another one. Very lucky today. A lot of Tesla guys. Should have been effed, but got lucky. Diamond hands did pay off in this situation, and they escaped with either fat gains or small profits. All right, I think it was all right. So he bought it at $17 and he sold at 74. So yeah, over 400% gain, I guess. Very nice, very nice. So these are lottery tickets, literally lottery tickets, and he cashed out $1,200, which is, you know, pretty good. Not the most, but hey, nice. All right. Yummy trendies from Tesla 1K strike calls 1223 me gusta. Me like. Okay. So another Tesla YOLO here. Wow. So yeah, he got really, really lucky here. His whole portfolio is $716,000, and today he made $649,000. So this literally saved his, I guess not saved his whole portfolio, but this could have went really, really bad. Super FD YOLO here. Yeah, these Tesla apes got so lucky today. So this is a good one. This is a good one. Hope he sold, or he should sell. Good stuff, good stuff. A lot of luck here. He would have been effed if this didn't work, but he just made a lot of tendies. So, good stuff. Congrats. 5 years of saving guns at the casino. Learn the hard way. Any donations help? So, yeah, more lost corn here. So, he's down 73K. 99%. So, and he put his Cash App tag here. Yeah, he's homeless now. He's at Wendy's behind the dumpster. So, living in a cardboard box now. So, good stuff. Sorry for your loss, man, but I guess it's totally deserved. That's what happens when you play casino. How much the guy made 70 cents contracts on Tesla? Let me see. He made $900, $912. You know, it's not the most money, but bought some lottery tickets and it paid off. All right, so I guess we'll take a look at this YouTube video on the Asian guy, the Alibaba guy, and we'll get out of here. That's all the YOLOs today, guys. So, yeah, 6:11, so we're going a little over 2 hours here. So we'll just take a look at this video, and we'll get out of here. And if you guys want me to look at any charts, you know, put in the link right now. Put in the description down below, the chat, and we'll get to that. Otherwise, we'll get out of here pretty soon. All right, let me see. Oh, my God. All right, so we're not even going to play the video. It's a bit long. Oh, spell token. Right. All right, we'll look at that too. Yeah. So we're not going to play the video. But at one point, this was like at 150K. And now it's at 56K. Wow. All right, I guess we'll play a little bit. I'm not going to watch the whole thing, but I want to hear what he has to say.
Hi, everybody. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio and on my life in general. So, right now, my portfolio is worth $5,566.95. As you can see, I've been doing really bad this year. Lost a ton of my money. Something that I did was roll out all of my options. So as you can see, all of my spreads, all of my positions, they expire in 2024. So yeah, instead of keeping my 2022 expiration date, I changed it to 2024. This gives me more than 2 years worth of time, and it does lower my potential profit. So even if I do get it right, the profit won't be as big. But I'd rather have that than to keep the risky plays that I was.
What profit? There is no profit. there is no profit. He's down 100K, like 150K. There is no profit, dude. All right, well, and he picked up some other ones, Bumble and Boeing, but yeah, he got wrecked here, absolutely wrecked. So he's saving face. He's not gonna profit. I can guarantee you that. But he rolled out his options, lowered the strikes. So, yeah, sucks. But hey, a lot of people in the same boat. I lost a good amount of money to Alibaba too. So, but yeah, he belongs on Wall Street Bets. He should do a post on this. All right. So let's exit that. And I guess we'll just do spell token, spell coin. And then we'll get out of here, guys. Spell token. So this is the new Jasmine. Doesn't look nearly as good, but okay. So it's at 24 cents, 25 cents, 19% today. How long has this been around for? Been around for a while. A couple months here. Since August, it appears like. So I have no idea what this is, but it's not that popular. It's 2,800. But it is recovering. It has gone up a lot since it launched. Went from 0,006. Now it's at 24. So fat tendies if you got in early. But looks like it's cup and handling right here right now. So this has potential, I guess. No idea what this is, but hey, good luck to everyone holding spell. Are you gonna roll over your Alibaba calls? No, I already dumped it, dude. I was down like 75% on those. I already just cut it. I'm not gonna roll. Hell no. Spell token is under 10 cents. Look at spell token website. Oh, it's 2 cents. My bad. 2 cents, not 24. 2 cents. Look at spell token website. All right. Where's the website? Spell token. Do they have a website? I don't see it. Oh, this is it. Abacadabra money. All right. All right, let's check this out. Abracadabra Money is a spellbook that allows users to produce magic internet money. You gotta be kidding me. What is this, NFT? You, the spellcaster, can provide collateral in the form of various interest-bearing crypto assets, such as YVFI, YVUSTD, YVUSDC, XSushi, and more. Oh boy. With this, you can borrow magic internet money, MIM, which is a stable coin that you can swap for any other traditional stable coin. What is this? It looks like NFTs. Looks like Minecraft NFTs. I don't know. Stake. You gotta connect your wallet to see all this stuff. But I don't know. Looks really shady to me. Looks like an NFT Minecraft type of thing here. I mean, I hope it works out, but I don't know. Seems like another pump and dump rug to me, in all honesty. Interesting. Hope it goes well, but it doesn't look too great to me. Alright guys, so that's the show for today. Went 2 hours, 20 minutes here. So, good amount of time. But pretty good show, pretty good show. Not too many people in here today, but appreciate everyone who did come in. Thank you to all the regulars. Gemini listed spell token. Really? Gemini's losing credibility. They're listing a bunch of stuff that really shouldn't be there. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. You know, kind of boring stuff today. Yolos weren't that great. TA was kind of boring, but, you know, pretty decent show. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And, yep, that's all I got for you. So, thank you to everyone. Appreciate everyone for joining me today. Anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns, charts? All right, I don't think so. That's it. So let's get out of here, guys. Cool. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. Oh, I got to put on my shades. My bad. Almost forgot. Shades and put away the water bottle. Cool. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.